Shit. Alright, now we're gonna Come on, baby. Oh, come on. Come on with it. No. We're trying to get over here. Oh yeah. That's probably good enough. This stuff is slick. Piece of cake. It's slippery though. Alright. Definitely took a wrong turn. What's going on, guys? It's Oregon Motorcycle. I've been a little quiet on this video, but that's because I'm just out enjoying my day. Didn't really come out with anything in mind as far as making a video goes, so you guys are still with me. Awesome. I'm out just cruising around. I am up. I'm getting ready. I'm done with the dirt right now, so I'm gonna air my tires back up. I gotta tell you, man, airing these tires down makes a huge difference off-road. But I got some good dirt riding in today, and yeah, I just went out and did some exploring, and I'm in the Ripplebrook area, and that's about it. I drove by that lake that we drove by earlier, was Harriet Lake. We've done a lot of fishing there. I like that place a lot. And yeah, I just made a loop, like went past Ripplebrook, and you can take that road up, and then I took a couple roads off to the side to do some exploring, and you can loop back around, go through Harriet Lake, and then come out this way, and this will dump us right out back to Ripplebrook and be back down. I gotta end the exploration, I guess you could say, because I'm getting low on fuel, and for whatever reason I decided not to fill up before I came up here. This thing gets such great gas mileage, so I'm just gonna put some air in my tires and go find a gas station. Both my valve stems are up. Huh. I have to move the bike before. Figures out this one's doable. Butterflies everywhere. What's up, little dude? This guy just had to check me out. Your wings don't look too hot. What happened to your wings? Are you trying to bite me? You are. Trying to suck some shit out of me, aren't you? You ain't gonna get none today. Not off me. Alright, I need to put my glove on. Can I have my hand back, please? Maybe? Please? Doing! Alright. Got some air back in the tires, and I took the thermal layer out of my jacket. Today is the first day. Look, he wants more. Sorry, little man, I don't have anything for you. Today's the first day, like in 60 days or 6 months in the Portland area, that it's supposed to get up to 70 degrees. So it is definitely warmer up here, or warmer out. Actually got a little cool today when I was coming up. I got into some more snow, so there's still snow up here in the higher parts. But yeah, so I'm gonna cruise back down, find a gas station, and then go make me a feast. Been eating good lately because I've been cooking all my meals at home, and you know, you can make a $20, $30 plate of food for like $5 to $10 depending on how you do it or what you eat. So I might go eat some more ribs or something, I don't know.